In this video, I will show you step-by-step process creating a coaching appointment funnel. I will create a landing page similar to this, and these types of pop-up I will make inside GoHighLevel. So at first, when you will log in your GoHighLevel server account, you will see something like this types of dashboard. You need to go to site, and at first we need to create a form because this is a form will come pop up once we click on the button. So we need to create a form first. So I'm creating a form from scratch. So I will take the full name, email, and button. I will change the background color to something like that. Okay, and button text will be download now, and padding top bottom 5 pixel. Whatever says 5 pixel is good, and full width. That's it. So we need to change the form name. Point. So we are we need to create a funnel now, and for that we need to create go to the funnel section of this site. Underneath the site we need to open a funnel and a new funnel, a point. So I'm going to create a funnel step, length. I'm just giving a random name here. This is not a big issue. Just to way to design, use existing design or create from blank. I will create from blank. This is a full width section, and I need to create a full width section like this. So I need to create a full width section, then change the background. I already uploaded the background, so I just need to take the background image, copy it, and the image link should be pasted there. And now I need to take a column with the title, with the subheading, and a button. So this is the section all about. Just I'm going to create. Okay. Uh, this text should be white and font size a little bit, I think. And the text should be changed to black to white. Okay. White. The font size is a bit big in size, so I'm taking it a bit small, and I need to change the button background, maybe good with gold color. This gold color is good. So I need to change the font size 16. Okay. Now change the text, headline font, content font. Headline font is good. This button is a bit small in size, so I need to change the width and margin top to make it a bit difference from the top. And we can give a radius and a text button effect. Text tone is not required. Button shadow, the button border. We are just going to create a border radius to remove the edge. So this effects I'm removing it. So this is the section, but this is not full width. So I'm just going to take a separator, and that means divider. The color should be transparent, and it should be changed to 80. And this is good, and again this is good. So bottom and top. So now this is centered and the text is there. Just we need to change this register now button to make it pop up. We need to select it as a pop up or open pop up. It's ready. We need to design the pop up. I'm just taking only the form from the system. Just need to select a point that we have in our system. We created recently on front page. So that's it. This section have a background color and fill it. Now extract the color and add a new color. We don't have that color in our list. Also, so this is created and we need to take one column because that is the only text column. So one column is good. I'm going to take it heading. Uh, we can change the color of text light. By the way, we need to change the background color of this section to white, and we can give a border, full border, and we need to transparent and border radius approximately 10 pixel. We need to border because there is a border. 10 pixel is a bit big in size. Maybe 5 pixel is good. Yes, 5 pixel is good. And we can see this column is not equal to the other section, so we need to make a column with a little small to adjust this design. And mark padding top and right. We need to change the bottom. I'm doing it because there is a blank space. So next we need to copy this section at bullet point, all our bullet point. So I'm going to copy all the text fast. Oh, there is a mess. I think we need to take it one after one. It's a subheading is a good. We just need to change the size of S3 to S2 and make it a bit bold and left align. Maybe a little bit padding top so that it looks plain. I need to copy this section, paste it. This need to be bold and it's like a big in size, so I'm taking it. Now I need to set a bullet point and we need to copy the text and paste it. So this is maybe this font size is what extension I'm using. So it's 20 pixel. So I'm just going to make it 20 pixel in size. Font desktop size is 20 pixel. That's good. And also we need to change the line height a little bit. Maybe this font size is not matching perfectly. So let's make it a bit small in size. I think this one is good. There is no. I think it's good. So the icon is different here. So we need to change the icon. So there is a hard heading font in setting. That's why it's not matching with the size. So we need to change it the content font because we have the similar content font and the icon arrow point. This is maybe the icon using. So now we have the bullet point set up and we need to copy it and paste it and use it again and again. It's now easy to make. So I'm just going to duplicate. Before I duplicate, there is a padding size a little bit more. Padding size Padding top should be changed to 5, 6, 7 and 7. That's a good. So 7 and 7. So now I can duplicate this 3 or 4 times. So this is the fastest way to work. Now I'm just going to take it, copy and paste it. So we don't need this next section because another section will be implemented inside after that. So drag and drop. Okay, and you're ready to go. So this is the text, and wait. Next, copy from the next section and paste it again, and copy and paste again, and the final section, this section we need to copy and paste. So this section we already completed, and now we need to give a little bit padding for this section, intersection, padding right, padding left, and padding top should be a bit bigger, padding bottom. So we think this section is ready. We need to change this section a little small, make it small. Okay. I think this is now good. It's identical with this. Now we need to create a button. So to create a button, we need to take another section, and we need to take a button. You can copy the button text from there. Sorry, it's not getting copying directly. I'm ready to bust those myths. I am ready to bust those myths. Maybe this is the text myths, and okay. Now we need to change the font size. Desktop font size a bit big in size, and the padding left and right need to change. And the color, finally, the color should be changed. Background colors, text color. This is the background color, and we need to make golden color as our background color. We already have our golden color. There is a line radius, so we need to button effect below, and you can see there is a border, full border, 5 pixel border below. I think this is good. Border color. Oh, sorry, border color should be transparent. It's my mistake. And all is are 5 pixels. That's good. I think the padding is more left to right. More padding is there. That's okay. And we need to take another section, that is this section. This section color we need to extract first, and we also need to take another full width, and need to change the color of background. We don't have this color in this system, so we need to take a new color background. And in our funnel, this is a preview. There is a one column text and then 3 columns. So at first we need to take one column text, one column, and then the text starting. We can duplicate this text, so we don't have to change the color and other setup. This way we can save a little more time. We don't need to change the color and others. This is the text field only. So at this point, I'm just going to take a text field, and the font size should be 20 probably. as it is a content form already selected. Left align. I think this is a small in size, so let's minimize the section to 80. And there is a space between the text, and I want to. If I go to the line height, maybe we can change it to 6. So we need to, there is a space between these two sections. Okay, everything is good. We just need to keep this one. Make it bold. Is 3, 4 is good. Left. Font color, content color. That's good. Padding top. This is the good. And now we need to take another. There's 3 blocks, so we need to take 3 column. And inside this column, we need to give a background image, a background color, and then we need to add section. Sorry, we need to pick that color to white, and we can also duplicate it. It will save time. This way we can duplicate and make it faster. So I'm just going to take, going to make one, and then we will change it to multiple. We will duplicate it in three copies and change a little bit. Upload. I already downloaded this image previously, so I'm just going to take this image, copy, paste, left align, which should be 100, it's big, 50, that's good. And the first make about, so it should be a subheading section, and the text should be, but its contents, font size, contents, and text align is left. I can see this entire column need a little bit padding. Top padding 30, 30, 20. Actually 30 is the standard. So 30, so 30, and also need to border radius, full border. We don't need any color. We need a 5 pixel border radius. I think 5 pixel border radius is good. So this should be changed into purple color. So we need to change the color to purple color. Okay. Now next is text. Left align, font size should be 20, and line height will be a little up, 1.6. Should be not, it should be 80 is good. And padding top a little bit, and a button. I'm ready. Button. Let's make it a perfect. Okay. And we need to give a margin top instead of padding top. We need to make a margin top, and also we need to change the font size, font color, and others. So we need to change the font size. Maybe 15 is good. Yes, 15 or 14 is good. 14 is good. Letter spacing of pixel. Font. Okay. What types of text is it? So we need to change the background color of this, and background color should be this. It's a uh, very identical color. And next we need to create this. As we have already created this, another section will be just a touch of a minute. And so previously I show how to duplicate this. So I'm just going to duplicate it, and all design section will be ready. So I just need to copy and paste. Just need to copy and paste. Just copy and paste. And again copy. Again. So this is a very fast way to create a new section. And now I just need to change the button color. So that's why you need to just change the button color to this, and to, so this is the three button color. And I can see there is a button drop shadow. To make that we need to go and show a soft shadow. I hope there is a shadow. And again this one is a soft shadow, this one have a soft shadow. So we are done. Oh sorry, we need to change the images. I'm just uploading two images to save some time. So this is an image. We need to change the link only, and this is an image. I need to copy and place it. Alright. So these three sections also completed. So we're just going to the next step. In next step, we will create a next section like this. This is an image and a text field. Very simple. To make that, we need to take a new section. I'm just taking a full width section. As this intersection have a color, so I'm going to copy the color and just giving the color as a background. Next, I'm going to take a two column. One should be the image. So image, upload an image. This is the image. I'm copying and pasting so that it show up clearly, and I can see there is a corner in radius corner, border shadow, border, this radius, rounded corner. So now I just need to take a heading. So hello, I'm Nancy. This section, I'm just going to copy the line, and this is a bold color, so let's change it to bold. And the text and see and others. So in your text. So this is a very easy way to create. Just copy and paste from the actual website, and I just need to change the font size only. Maybe 20 is good. No, it's 18 is good probably. So due to copy and paste, there are some sections are broken, so we need to check this out. And finally, hello, probably, uh, so I'm just copying and fixing the text. So I have fixed the text font size and just need to make it a big and small and give a background color of this section so it looks clean and it, so we need to make the other section padding inside outside of this text. So I'm just going to make so I'm going to give a padding all side of these boxes, right? So we need to take a new column for this button, and then we can start the other part of this funnel. So I'm ready and feeling part. So I'm just going to take a column button. I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready to get to fill and bird. So the text is ready. Just we need to change the background color of of this button. Background color with that. This is the background color, and it should be top. Text size should be small, maybe 14. That's good. And also need to add in 15 is good. So space padding right, and just making it 100% so that it looks good. And finally, we need to give a border, uh, full border, no color, and finally the 5 pixel radius. So this is ready. We just need to give a shadow, border, soft shadow. We can make this full width using this fluid and full width. So we can make this button full width, but we are not making it full width. That's why we are giving a padding. So we already completed the funnel. Only we need to give it a section with copyright section like this, powered by anything. We can add a text in there, text field, copyright by abc.com. So something like that we can give it here, and padding and top and bottom are not required. So we can save it and see how our funnel looks now. So our funnel is already completed and it looks pretty well. It's not perfectly done. We just need to change the font and other section, but overall it's ready to show, and we can discuss. We can go to the next level of this funnel, like automation and other management. So this is the easiest way to create a funnel. And in last video, we have created a landing page, and in this video we will create an order page. So let's create an order page. In this video I will use the existing design so that we can save some of our time, and also this is the easiest way to import any design. So I'm just going to take a page and I will edit it a little bit and it will be ready. So this is the page. Here I can say we have only a little design in this section. This is a text field, and this is an image and text field. So there is nothing fancy. So we need to show this section only. Two-step order form. In first step, user will get an option to input their personal information and what information they will give. You can see there is full name, address. You can hide address. This is good practice for digital product like coaching. And next we can see we have a second page that will be order page and the card information and complete order. So this is a very easy way to create a checkout page, and I'm not going to change anything. So I will keep this only. I will delete this section, this image, because this is not our logo. So this is okay. Next save it and create a calendar booking page. So I'm going to create a new page. It will be calendar booking page. It will be simple as other page. So next page will be calendar. To create a calendar booking page, we need to first create a calendar for our funnel. So you need to go to the setting and at the bottom of this page, and you will see there is a calendar option, and we need to create a calendar for this. So we need to, there is a calendar in group, we get calendar. I'm taking a simple calendar, mm, coaching, coaching. There is a, you can change the minute, you can change date and time, meeting location. This is not very required. Additional settings, there is a more option like this. Availability, you can customize your availability, payment and forms, and thank you message or reject to any page you want. uh, and Facebook pixel, you can add an optional. So we already have a coaching calendar. Now we will create a calendar booking page, appointment, and create a calendar. Let's create from blank. In this page we are not going to design anything, and we will keep it very simple and clean. In this page I will add a background image for entire page. For example, okay, I'm giving this one as a background image for center. So this is the page. It will be a background for all sections. I need to take a section. This section might be medium, and we need to take a column, and inside the column we need to take calendar. We need to find the coaching that we already created. So there is the calendar, and now we need to save it. So our calendar booking page is ready, and lastly we need to make a thank you page. Actually this calendar have a thank you message, so we don't need to create a thank you page. If need to create a thank you page, we can create a thank you page. uh, we can create a thank you page. I will import a thank you page from my system. I already shared how to import pages from existing page, and I will do that. I'm just going to take a thank you page. I one thing I forget about to show in this order page, we need to set a product for our form. Product form. There is no product, so we need to create a product. There is only one product, but how we can create this product? There is no option. So to create a product, we need to go to payment section, and there is all of option. We need to create a product from product tab of this page and create a product. There is a coaching, one-to-one coaching, one-to-one coaching. This is a service, product price, name, coaching. One time you can split it in one time, or recurring payment you can charge monthly or one time. So I'm just going to set $499 as a product price, and let's create it. So we need to yes, add the new product. So I'm just reloading this page, and you can see one-to-one coaching is now in list, and we need to set the price. This is the product name, and this is the product price name, product name. These are automatically set. Price override, if you want to offer a price that less than the actual product price, then you can write that. It will be updated with new product price. So this is we need to save, and also we can set coupon for our funnel. For example, if we want to give 100% discount for first 100 uh, visitor, we can create that. So we can create coupon from coupon button. Next, we can set a coupon code, coupon name $100 discount, 100 maybe 100% maybe 100% discount, coupon code 100%. And the best practice is generate coupon code. This system provide really nice coupon code. And coupon type we can set percentage coupon, a fixed coupon. We can in fixed we can set a fixed number of money, and for percentage we can share percentage. So we want to offer 100% for our first 100 subscriber. So start date and end date, after this end date this coupon code will be invalid. So let's make it a 1 year. Limited total number of times the coupon can be redeemed, so you can use for 100, so that first 100 subscriber will get this free offer, then this discount code will be invalid. You can also create the limit to selected product on which the coupon can be applied. This is important because we have a lots of product. This coupon code will work for every product we have. So we need to find out which product we are going to give this redeem code for valid for which product. So this is what we need to create, and it's done. So if anyone use this code for our discount, so we have completed our funnel. We have landing page, order page, calendar page, and thank you page. These are most important for the for these are most important for appointment funnel. And based on our planning, we have landing page, we have pop-up, we have checkout page, we have calendar booking page, and other page, and thank you page. This is not a page, it's a booked system. So we have all the pages we need for our funnel. Hi, in this video I will show you how to automate an appointment funnel. So we have our plan, and in this video I will show this particular automation only. So at first we need to create a pipeline and then a new email sequence. So we need to create a pipeline, and we can go it from the opportunity field and this new pipeline, and new list. So we have our new list, and there is a five field I have added in our system. Now if we go to our opportunity field, we can see there is five options. Now I will create a new group because we don't need to mess with other funnel automations. So I'm going to create a appoint group, and inside this group we can create multiple workflow. I'm going to create it from scratch because I want to show from the beginning. At first we need to change this name because this is a random name. You lead in appointment funnel. So we have created, and we already have our form. So once anyone submit this form, this will be the trigger form submitted. If the form is appoint form, we need to add an user. I am the only user in this funnel, so I am adding myself, and a new pipeline, opportunity pipeline. Sorry. Once new lead arrive, new lead in opportunity. So if new lead arrive, it will be new lead list, and the name should be full name of the person, and email should be full name of this person. So value I'm not giving anything, just I'm going to make it open. And what happened next after this? So there is checkout page, and we need to give a pause because customer can complete the checkout process automatically without doing anything. So we will make it wait. Maybe 1 month is good. Then we will set a new email sequence. We have 4 emails in our system, so we are going to add 4 emails one after one. So email, we can give a name, email sequence number one. Once anyone submit their form, they will get this email. So this form is name should be our name. So David M. I'm giving a name. You can give it anything, and email should be email your domain.com. You can give it any email you have in your system because this email, the prospects will get email from this email. So use your email address, not other email. And finally, the subject name, order not completed yet. So we are just going to notify them, hey, you failed to complete your checkout. And now use name. So you can use your name or other name as well. So in this way, you can create lots of email sequence, wait for 1 day, and send another email for 1 day. And you can set a new email sequence. In the same way, you can do again and again. I can do it by copying it and doing it again. So just I copied and pasted, and just I need to change the tool and others. Something like we can create again and again so that the prospect can complete the checkout process, and we can duplicate this process, inter process first by doing it. I'm just going to duplicate all. So there is 4 emails. You can change the content and everything will be fine. And finally, we need to save it and publish it and save it. So our workflow already completed, and also we need to go to settings. So if anyone responds from this email, like I don't want to check out, I don't want to order something like that or anything, they can, this email sequence should be stopped. So there is nothing to do, it's ready. Hi, this is Farhad, and in this video I will show the next section of our automation process, the appoint booked session and the for email confirmation, email reminder section. At first we need to log in our dashboard, GoHighLevel sub account dashboard, and in this automation section we are working in this appoint section of our workflow. We already have our lead appointment funnel automation. Now we are going to create our next section, the automation appointment booked section. So at first we need to create a workflow. Now I will start from scratch. In this video, the automation will be happen after the appointment book. So we need to set a trigger appointment if customer booked appointment, which is in calendar. What calendar do we have? We have the coaching calendar. So at first we need to assign an user. Well, our personal assistant will operate with this person. John Doe is a personal assistant, so I am adding him. So next we already have our virtual assistant added, but next we need to inform our virtual assistant that we are a new customer booked an appointment. So we need a notification, send a notification. So what type of notification we need to send? We need to send an email or notification, and from email from at the rate your domain. In this place you need to set your domain, or we have our domain. This one is our domain, so I'm just changing it to our domain. You need to add your domain. User types, all user or assign users, all the custom email. as I have already assigned user, so I can add a assigned user. But if you don't have any user, then you can send a custom email to the particular person. Hey, new point name booked. So hello John Doe, because this email will receive John Doe in our assigned user that we already assigned there. And new appointment has been booked. Please connect with the prospect's name. We can change this prospect name from this contact name, full name, and appointment time. At appointment time, you need to go to the appointment and appointment date time, start date time. So automatically system will take this name and the appointment time based on the prospect selected time. So this internal automation has been done. Now we need to send a confirmation email. We need to add an email, send email. This email should be sent instantly. Email to the prospect. So the name we are using for this person. So John Doe, because John Doe will contact this person, contact this prospect. So I'm just using John Doe and John Doe at the rate of yourdomain.com. Domain.com. Our domain is this, so I am replacing this your domain. This is should be the your email address. That can be any of email address you have, like johndoe at gmail.com, yahoo.com, or so whatever the which email he use for communication. Your session has been booked. So we have our title. This your session has been booked. So customer will get informed that his session already booked. So now we need to create an content for this email. So this is a short email content that we can use. Hello name. So we can use the name of this person, because we are this email will send to the prospect. So this will be the prospect name that I have. Uh, and you successfully booked your session at the time of the appointment. So it's the date and time. So this is the time that he booked. The calendar will be touched soon. Thank you. So this is the email. Now we also need to send a SMS. Just content, copy and paste there. This will be the same message. So we'll go both of the place. Now we need to set another reminder. Now we need to set a wait for the next message. Instead of a regular time delay, we will use this for event or appointment time. So we want to send a new email or SMS before 1 day of appointment. So we already have the before selected, and there should be 1 day, and it will be set. So I am just copying from the previous email from here, copy action, and I will paste here. And we just need to change the content now, because other fields will be same. Content will be your appointment is tomorrow, and we can use hello, the name your appointment is tomorrow. Appointment is tomorrow at a time. Thank you. I'll be online to soon. So this is okay. This is a good, and I just need to copy the content, and I need to send an SMS. It will be same. And now I need to set another wait. It should be 6 hours before the time. So before it will be only 6 hours. Email content will be very identical with this one, and just hello name. Your appointment is today at. So I am not changing anything, because time and date will be same. And finally we need to send a message. We need to copy this data. Then we need to send an SMS again. So again we need to set another wait. 30 minutes before the event, and new SMS will go to them about have a contact now. Your appointment is in is here on the 30 minutes. We are on the 30 minutes away. So hope you will talk soon. So this is okay. So this sequence is ready. We can also send a message email as well. For this sequence, we can add a message as well. I'm copying and paste here. So I just copied and pasted here. So this is ready, and this is already we have completed 4 email sequence and a notification, SMS, and other record for this section. And now publish and save. Hi, this is Farhad, and in this video I'll show you the next step of our funnel automation. We already have completed this section and this section. Next we need to do the next step, funnel appointment cancel and no show, and the reschedule section of this sequence. So we need to log in our GoHighLevel sub account and then create a new workflow. I'm taking it from the scratch. So at first we need to add trigger. So we need to add trigger appointment status, cancel the calendar in calendar Hussein, and the condition should be appointment status cancelled. So next we need to we can set multiple trigger at a time. So I'm going to take another uh, trigger now. It should be no show. Calendar. We are selecting our calendar, and then the account status is no show. So now we have two options at a time. Now need to set assign a new user. We have our new user turned on, and now we need to set up a condition, if it's condition. At first we can set a cancel, and the workflow trigger will be workflow trigger is so sorry, it's not showing right now. We need to save it. Without that this often create problem. So if appointment trigger is cancel, runs cancel. Oh, sorry. We need to get another glance. No show. If the appointment workflow trigger is no show. So now we have two conditions at a time. So at first we need to create a time delay. Wait 1 hour, and then an email sequence will run. Send an email, action email to about. So after 1 hour, a new email will send. From name. We can give our name, or we can also provide this sub account users name. For example, I am setting this sub account username. There are two types of name. For first is contact name, and second is user names. User means this assigned person and his name. And from email, this will be the same. The contact users contact email for this. Sorry, we missed you. So this is a draft email, and the link should be vertical link. So if we go to appointment, and there is a reschedule link. Reschedule link. Next, we need to set an SMS. I'm copying and pasting it from the previous email. Wait for 1 hour, and then we will set copy duplicate it to 3 times, because we have three email sequence and paste it. There is another duplicate, and this time we need to wait for 1 day. 1 day, and email sequence will be the second one. Other details I'll just copy from the email. Second, okay, there is a contact name that I found that is from coming from their full name, and the reschedule link already I added it previous email, so I'm not going to duplicate it, and I'm just going to copy it and set it at SMS, and again we can set it for 3 days. Instead of one, it should be 3 days, and email sequence will be hello. So we can add the customer name, and also the schedule link also added from this appointment and this schedule link. So this is I need to copy and paste it to my SMS section. Now I'm just going to copy all section from there. Just need to tag, contact tag. It should be no show and no show. Then I'm going to copy all the content from there to here. So this is the same as this one. We can change the content and time depend on our preference. I'm just doing one. Sorry, time today we were waiting for you. You can reschedule appointment from the link from the link. So this way you can change the content of each email and SMS. This I'm not going to other email. So we need to go to our settings, and this is very important. Stop on responsive customer reply, then must be this sequence need to be stopped. This option is very important and need to save. So we have completed our three automation, but there is some problem. If someone book an appointment, their information will be stored in this place, and it will show that it's confirmed because the prospect already confirmed the booking. And there is some other option, cancel, no show, and invalid, but it won't go from there to other place automatically. Technically, you or your assistant need to send the status of this calendar. So how we can make it automatically? I have found a way that is a form. We need to create a form. So it should be feedback form. Next, we need a radio button, appointment time and date, additional information. Did the lead show up in this system? Okay. So I will copy the link and change the name feedback. I can change this form a little bit better. Like we can add title. This is the form we have created. We just need to copy the link. So let's done it and save it. So we need to go to our automation system again, and there is the appointment booked option in our system. So now at the end of this automation, so in our system, this email will be go one after one. This will be actually before uh, wait before 6 hours. I'm just giving name because last time I didn't give any name. Uh, wait before 30 minutes. So this will be happen, and we just need to set in another time delay. Wait. This time we will use after instead of before. After 2 hours maybe. So this action will happen after the 2 hour of appointment. So we just need to notifications, need an internal notification to our team who are actually maintaining this appointment section. So email type notification. That's what email from. For this is my name. So email will be sent from my name to my staff in this panel staff, personal staff. So I'm just going to send my email. So email will be sent from my email, and user type assigned user. This email no need to go for everyone. There is a assigned user. This assigned user will get it. Just what is the Mr. So we can send a hello. Now we need to set this email that I received from the form. This is the form link. Let me show you. This is the form link. We recently created a form. This is the form link. There is only one button. Simple form. So, but this form is not actionable. So we need to make it actionable with the custom code here, like email. So with email, maybe this should be the prospect's email. And then we can say that thank you. So once our staff visit this link and on a certain status, that will automatically turn into the next section, next automation like no show and appointment cancel. This way we can change the status automatically. So let's save it and change it. Now we need to save and publish.